Hi, I'm A-list celebrity makeup artist Hayley Sparks, and I'd love to tell you about the Lash and Brow Conditioning Serum from Nouveau Lashes. Make no mistake, we women put our lashes and brows through a lot each day. So just like the hair on your head, you really need to condition them. That's why Nouveau Lashes has created this amazing serum. The Lash and Brow Conditioning Serum is packed with a complex blend of nourishing multivitamins, conditioning actives, and powerful antioxidants. The result? Instant conditioning for your lashes and brows with protection from everyday pollutants. And over the long term, a fuller, thicker look. Apply the brush to cleanse lashes from root to tip and then sweep the wand through those brow hairs. This serum's perfect for LVL treated natural lashes and lashes with extensions, and for best results, apply twice a day. Top tip, you can also use this as a primer to nourish lashes before applying mascara. Lash and Brow Conditioning Serum from Nouveau Lashes, giving you the power of the eye.